Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I'm starting a video in bed. Waking up. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna film a video today. My god. Let me turn the light on. Ugh. I hate the morning. Like, I don't hate the morning, but I feel like I'm not a morning person. I could be, but I'm not. I mean, maybe I couldn't. I don't know. But, yeah. It's currently really fucking raining where I live for the past, like, all of yesterday and now today. We have a flood warning. Close by to me is having, like, really bad. Like, they are literally flooded. But, so yeah, that's how hard it's raining. Like a zoomed in little. I just wanted to vlog my St. John shirt. I just wanted to vlog, like, a morning routine and rainy day morning routine. Vlog. I don't know. I'm just gonna take you guys along. So yeah, crazy work that I work at 4, but I kind of like it because now I can, like, have the day, and that's, like, what I asked for. So I have vanilla on my TV, but yeah. Not gonna lie to you guys, I did scroll on TikTok for about an hour. Okay, maybe not an hour, but, like, okay, it is a little bit of a problem. But, like, since I had time this morning, I think what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna clean my room a little bit, make my bed, and then I have some laundry I have to fold. So I'm gonna fold my laundry, and yeah, maybe get something to eat. But yeah, I don't really know. I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm doing, but I really don't really have, like, a morning routine. My morning routine is waking up and seeing what the day is gonna give me. Sometimes I see right when I open my eyes what the day is gonna. Alright, but no, today is a good day. I don't know, I didn't even, like, brush my teeth, wash my face, brush my hair. But alright, I'm gonna clean up and okay, so I just cleaned my room a little bit. I'm gonna vacuum just cause, but I almost just said I folded my bed. I folded my clothes and I made my bed. I'm getting ready and yeah, I look so bad, but I'm gonna take a shower and yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning this up. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is how my mornings go, especially when I have to work. I feel like I'm just a little bit scrambled. Like, I know in the back of my mind I have to work, so it's like, I don't know. Just take a shower and I'm gonna vacuum my room. I'll get back to you. Okay, I just finished cleaning up my room for the most part. I opened my window a little bit, turned my fan on, get, like, the air circulating. I don't know, I always do that. But yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat and then take a shower probably, and then I have to get on my computer and do some things. So yeah, I have a lot of college work to do. I'm on online school, so I have to do that, and then I have to, like, look at other things for modeling and stuff. But yeah, looking outside, it's low-key crazy. Like, the rain is insane. I just got out of the shower. I got dressed for work. I don't know if I want to wear these pants because I kind of want to wear my comfy pants. Be comfy because yeah, but I'm gonna make something to eat and then I have to get on my computer and do. I've low-key been avoiding it, but I have to do it, so yeah. So I was originally gonna make, like, green beans with seasoning, but now I'm like, I don't really, like, I think I'm just gonna make taquitos. Extra double stuffed beef. I'm gonna get my other phone to call Ellie on my other phone so I can keep filming on this phone, and also use this phone to do my schoolwork. Airbnb notification. I called you on my old phone. I'm filming on you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm upstairs doing what I need to do and being a mature adult. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna start doing my school shit now. I feel like I look dumb filming with this on my head. But, oh my god. Gonna accept this. But yeah. I'm in 3 classes right now. Honestly, like, falling behind, not doing anything, so. Got that on video. But alright. Oh my god. I just did my school shit and a little bit of research, and I didn't really get a lot done that I wanted to with that, but I'll do it later maybe. It's 2:41. I work at 4, so I need to start, like, I have to finish getting ready, so I'm gonna do that off camera because I want to listen to music and blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm ready. Transition.
Yo, is that an email? Is that a fucking email? Is that a notification from Shop?
Okay, guys, so I don't know how much I actually got filmed, but I'm leaving for work now. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. I might do more like this, maybe not. I do have to organize my closet because, yeah, but that will be another video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will be back. Okay, bye. Going to work.